Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 6. Lipika reads a book for one whole 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. Right? How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Right? Let us solve the problem. In one day, in one day, Lipika in one day, Lipika reads a book, reads a, re- reads a book for one whole 3 by 4 hours. Right? Therefore, in one day, Lipika reads a book for one whole 3 by 4. That is, you have to multiply the whole number with the denominator. That is 1 into 4, it is 4, and add the numerator. That is 4 into 4 plus 3, 7. That is 7 by 4 hour. In 7 by 4 hour. Right? Therefore, in 6 days, in 6 days, in 6 days, Lipika reads the book. Lipika reads the book. Reads the book in 6 into 7 by 4 hours. 4 hours. Right? If we divide this by 2, that is 2 to 4 and 2 3 6. That is equal to 3 7 21, 21, 21 by 2 hours. Now if we divide 21 by 2, that is 2 1 2, 1 2 0 0 1. That is, we are getting 10 whole 1 by 2 hours. Right? How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? In all, therefore the answer is in all 10 and 10 whole 1 by 2 hours were required by her to read the book. Right? Here you see, in one day Lipika reads a book for one whole 3 by 4 hours. That is 4 into 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 hour. That is, in one day Lipika reads a book for 7 by 4 hour. Therefore, in 6 days, Deepika reads the book in 6 into 7 by 4. That is 2 to the 4 to the 2 3 is 6, 3 7 is 21 by 2. If we divide this 21 by 2, you are getting 10 whole 1 by 2 hours. Therefore, in all 10 and 1 by 2 hours were required by her to read the book. That is the answer.